my diamonds make it hurt.
Hi guys, here we are doing paper 2020, October November, paper 2. It's a winter paper 2. In this, we are going to try data manipulation, that's databases part. So here about the evidence document, we have to open a 220 evidence file from the folder. Then we have to add all our details like name, center number, and candidate number in the header. That's better. Okay, I always prefer when they give us like a particularly in the footer, else always I go for header. Okay, you just take a 3-column header and then just place all these 3 details. Okay, then save the document with the name and also add your candidate number at last like this. This is an example. Fine. Then save it as a MS Word document. Okay. Now let's go to databases. Task 3. You're now going to prepare some reports and using suitable package import N220 score.csv. We are importing it into MS Access software. Just open the software first. Just take a blank database and just give one relevant name to it. 2020 November Access. Okay, just closes the default table. Now we are going to import the file score something, right? Okay, now let's go to external data, new data source, from file, text file. So here let's browse to our folder, 2020 folder. In your system, where is it? Please go there fast. Just open that folder. Mine is over here, October, November, and paper 2. And here we have the scores over here. See that? Just double click that. You will get to open that here. And we are just clicking next. Here, this is the data. So much data is there. Okay, fine. Next. Here in this, we have to just select the check that first row contains field names. Okay, so it'll look like a table format. Then next, now the first column is selected over here, you see. Then you just press advanced. Here we're going to set the field information, that's the data types from the question paper. See, use the field names and data types like this. Fine. So 3, we have the text. Text is nothing but here we have the short text. Fine. First one, second one, and third one. Yes, all 3. Okay, fine. Next, age, kilometer per hour, maybe something. So age is an integer, and kilometer hour, it's a number having 2 decimal places. Number having just number, but it got a decimal place. That is nothing but what we call it, the floating point numbers, or we can have even double, we call it. So here what we have, first one is an integer, a whole number it is. Now kilometer per hour goes in no, we can just single, we can go for, no, double, we can go for this. See, single and double for the fractional values, like if you have any decimal places and all, you can go for it. Okay, so now we can just go for double. Next, position is a number, a score number, a race number is a number, and category code, something it's maybe text. and distance in kilometers, maybe that's all integer, and one is text. Okay, pure integer they are, non-fractional numbers, 1, 2, and the third one as well an integer, and this is the short text, it's already there, it's automatic selection, and distance in kilometers is also an integer. Okay, this is all done. Next, and about any primary key in the question paper, set race number as a primary key. Race number, look at this, just select, you will choose yourself, and race number over here, see there in the table, it's there. Next, yeah, we're gonna finish it, close. You can see over here, yes, there's how many records, 772 records there. Total number of records are 772. Okay, now the last is to take a screenshot, right? So question number 18 totally done. Input the file. Oh, they didn't tell us to take screenshot. That's okay, fine. Just save the work. Now let's get back to the question. Input the file n220 clap.csv as a new table in your database and set the appropriate data types. Set appropriate data types. Fine. So we have to just check whether they are proper or not. Fine. And clap code is the primary key. Okay. Now let's go for that. This is done. Just close it and keep. Another file we're going to import. So external data, new data source from file, text file. Here browse, and now I have to just take clap. Is it clap? It's clap. Double click that. Next. Here we have a lot of data, but there is no comma at all. You see there? I think single column it is. Oh, there are so many columns, but there is no. Okay, first row contains field names, and next we'll see once how the data is taken in under data types. Clap position, long integer, we can just take an integer. Clap name, clap code. Clap code is a short text over here, and what is the other in the other table? What is a race number? Race number, you see, it's a number. You see there, race number, because is there any the relationship they're gonna set? That we have to check, because we have to have the same data types, and the data in common columns should be no, matching. Okay, see in the third table also they are saying to just do like that. Relationships, look at that. So we have to look at here, relationships. So what we have to do is, in the first table this is the primary key. Okay, this is the primary key. Which one? Which are the ones we are setting here? Clap code field in the clap table, and the clap code field in the score table. Okay, that field types are matching or not, that we have to check. Okay, so in one table it is always primary key, in the other table it is a non-key. Fine. So in the clap table it should be some type is there, no, some text is there, but in the other table, in score table, the first table, it has to be the same data type like this, but you can have repeated values over here since it's a non-key. Fine. So let's check that. Where is clap code? Clap code is a text over here. You see that clap code is a text, and here in our here clap code, you see there, it's also a short text. Okay, these two are matching, so we can move on. Okay, and what is here? Clap code is the primary key over here. Fine. Next, finish, close. Yeah, this is the other one. Fine. Another question, let's see. 19th is done. Input the file N220 group as a new table in your database with all fields set with appropriate data types, and group code is the primary key. So you see on in 21 question, group code is matching with the category code, and their two the types should be same. See, it's a text, and here also it should be text. Fine, group code should be text. Okay, let's see now. This just save once and just close it. Now let's go to external data. Another third table we are importing. New data source from file, text file. The third, see, this is the third table which is just lying that we are just accessing into for some use. Let's see. Okay, it's a group, right? Okay. Next, first row contains field names. Next, here just let me check the data type, the one we discussed just now. Which one it is? Group code. It's a short text. You see there, short text. Yeah, it's matching with the previous one of the first table. See, it's going to be a big relationship. Any primary key over here? Any primary key? We have a primary key there. Group code is the primary key. Group code, choose my own primary key. Group code, yes. Okay, 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 okay. The even third table we got over here, right? Now let's see the rest. Even those done, yeah, at last they are asking for the screenshot. Fine. Screenshot showing the primary keys, field names, and data types used in all three tables. Okay, 3 screenshots will be there. Okay, now we have to open, just go home. Okay, just first one we are gonna work on. First table, that's a score table. Just widen the columns to see the contents clearly. Okay, now I'm going to view, design view. Where is the primary key they want to see? This one, look at that. Yes, so I'm taking the first I'm taking, which is, this is a club, sorry, this is a club. Okay, I'm taking the first screenshot. Okay, just pick like this, copy, and go to your folder, open the evidence, and what is the number of the evidence? 5. Here, just paste there. Okay, this is number 1 we got, and the second one as well. We're gonna go save, just close, save. And here, see, the score is the one, the first one, right? If you go to the view, design view, here they told us go for, what is that, kilometer, this one format is double. See, format, look at that here, format is just a general number, look at that. Okay, and decimal places as well, you have to set to 2 decimal places. Okay, this is what we need, and it's a primary key over here. Yes, and another the screenshot we need, even we can highlight, just I did not do that in the first screenshot. See, just where is your primary key, just highlight and show. They just want to see particularly where is the primary key. Okay, copy, and just go to another one just soon after this. Okay, second one we got, and we have to go for the third one. Save, just save this. When you close it, it will ask you for the saving. And now the last one is the group one, I guess, right? Group, and its primary key also we have to show them. see the first one is primary key over here, right? Then another print screen, the whole thing you take till the bottom, okay, and highlight and show them where is your primary key, okay. uh, Copy and paste the third one as well over here. 3 tables. It's going to be lengthy, I feel. Okay, now all done. Fine. This part is over. Now we're going to set the relationship. Okay. See there, it's going to actually the same table from 2 different tables. This one club table and what's the other one? The groups table. 2 tables are getting connected or no, getting a relationship to one, the first table, that is the score table, right? So we're going to have 3 tables, but they are having single relationship with each other. Means score is in the middle and other 2 tables are on either sides. Fine. So shall we go for it? Let's do that. Save the work and just keep it empty over here. Now go to database tools, relationships. We are going to pick all 3 tables because all 3 are getting relationships. Close. Look at that. Now I'm going to keep the score in the middle. Sorry. Okay, like this. Now from club code to club code, okay, from club code to the club code, the first relation, okay. So just set click all one-to-many relation, create. This is done. I'll put it down. Okay, another one from group code to group code over here. Where is the group code? No, club code. What is that? Group code to category code. Okay. Where is category code? Here it is. Okay, group code to just pick that. Okay, now group code to category code, select all this and create. Can you see that? Okay, this is what the relationship. Okay, this is done. Just save the work and just show. I think they want place an evidence document showing type of relationship between the 3 tables. Okay, we're going to show that. Just first click this. Okay, this is one, the first one. Okay, and we have to just close this, otherwise it doesn't. Okay, just for this I'm going to keep like this. Print screen, the whole stuff you take, copy, and we're going to place over here. Done. Next one as well. That's fine. This is done. Another one. Just keep it over here, this side, and take another screenshot. Okay, and place in your here itself, but after this. Okay, now let's get back. This is all done. 21 question is done. Okay guys, we're gonna stop over here. This is the first part. Second part we're gonna continue in the other session.